Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Here it is pre-algebra class lecture 12, title order of operations. Before in lecture 11, 10 and 9 we studied some operation about real number. Here we want to uh, explain a little more about operations. If you have in an example, if we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, how we can solve this kind of uh, example or problems. Here is the rule which we rooted as PEMDAS. It means it is a rule for solving algebraic uh, real number. If I actually here in the example 1 we have multiplication, addition, and parenthesis, also a small parenthesis. Division. How we can solve this kind of question? Here is the rule. P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S subtraction. First, we have to simplify parentheses. It is the parenthesis. It is a small parenthesis, medium, and large parenthesis. First, we started from inside of this kind of parenthesis. And after that, exponent, power, we didn't study this one. Next lectures, we will study it in the future lectures. Multiplication, then we should simplify multiplication, then division, and addition, subtraction. Finally, we do addition and subtraction. We do this operation from left to right side. From left to right side. Now we want to solve this question. Here we have 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. Here if we multiply by 6 by 3, it is possible, no problem. We multiply 6 by 3, it is 18 plus 4 multiply by. Why we didn't multiply by 9? Because there is a parenthesis. We should simplify this inside the parenthesis. Multiply by 9 divided by 3, 3. Now it is equal to 18 plus 4 multiplied by 3, 12. It is equal to 18 plus 12, 30. It is the solution of this example. Next one, we want to solve number 2. 9 minus 6 divided by minus 3. It is equal to 9 minus divided by minus plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. It is equal to 11. Number 3. Number 3 we want to solve here. It is equal to plus divided by minus 28 divided by 4, 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2. It is equal to minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 multiplied by 2. It is equal to minus multiplied by plus. It is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Number 4. Number 4 minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Also we can write multiply by minus 5 as like this. It is also correct. Minus 9 divided by minus 3. It is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Minus divided by minus plus 9 divided by 3, 3, plus 10 plus 3, it is equal to 13 plus 13. Number 5. Now we want to solve question number 5. Here we want to write number 5. Minus 8 minus parenthesis 49 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 minus 10 minus 2 multiplied by 14 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 20. It is equal to minus 8 minus parenthesis. We have to simplify inside of this bracket. 45 divided by 5 multiplied by 3, 15 minus 10 minus 2, 14 divided by 2, 7 minus 3, close bracket, here also minus 20. Minus 20. Here is also a bracket. It is equal to minus 8 minus bracket 45 divided by 5 minus 15 minus 10. It is equal to 5. Minus 2 into 5 minus 7 minus 3, 4. Minus 20. It is equal to minus 8 minus parenthesis 45 divided by 5, 15. Nine minus 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Minus 20. It is equal to minus 8 minus, it is equal to 1 minus 20. It is equal to minus 8 minus 1 minus 20 minus 19. It is equal to minus 8 minus multiplied by minus positive plus 19. It is equal to 11. It was the question 5. Question 6, 32 minus 4 multiplied by 44 divided by minus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 6 minus 5. It is equal to 32 minus 4 44 divided by minus 8 multiplied by 2 minus 16 plus 6 minus 5. It is equal to 32 minus 4 44 divided by minus 16 plus 6 minus 10 minus 5. It is equal to 32 minus 44 plus divided by minus 44 divided by 10, 4 minus 5. Here is also we have to write like this. Here also it is equal to 32 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. It is equal to 32 minus plus multiply by minus 4 multiplied by 9, 36. It is equal to 32 minus multiplied by minus plus 36. It is equal to 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 38. It is the answer of this question. Thank you.